So I'm here at Advanced Rejuvenation, amazing clinic, by the way, that I love and adore, helped me and my family for sure. But Dr. John has a very unique protocol utilizing something called TRT, tissue regenerative therapy, which shocks the body literally into healing. And that's kind of step one. And then many of you have heard of ozone and the benefits of ozone and how that stimulates the body into healing. Ozone with magnesium, literally in an IV, and then followed by something called a CVAC, which, well, takes hyperbaric chambers, I'm sure you might have heard of that, to the next level. But anyways, putting it all together, okay, transforming program. So if you're somebody maybe just has unexplainable symptoms going on, right? This can stimulate your body into its own healing, which I believe is where all healing comes from. I would argue that myself or Dr. John, we don't heal anything, but the body can. And the really cool thing about this protocol is it does just that. It literally stimulates your body into the unknown healing capacity of the body. So with that said, you might have something going on. I mean, it could be brain fog, lack of energy, sleep problems, hormone problems. I believe this therapy could be an answer to all those bizarre symptoms that affected my life, but check it out.
And so we're using this acoustic wave device called a TRT or stem wave, and we're treating the hands and the feet. And there's acupoints that basically are all around the feet. In fact, we have a chart on the wall showing all the different organs, how they're represented in the feet, and they're also represented in the hands. So by applying this therapy to the hands and the feet, we're actually opening up a lot of these channels throughout the body in hopes that we're going to stimulate some detoxification and some strengthening, some general overall strength and vitality improvement throughout the entire body. And he's going to feel this. You know, this sends a burst that penetrates fairly deeply into the body.
I feel it.
Yeah. And of course, anybody that's been exposed to a lot of holistic medicine, they've seen the foot baths, right? You see these foot baths, people put their feet in these baths and it helps them to detoxify. Well, I would suggest that this is probably many, many times stronger than the foot bath as far as overall detoxification of the body. So we're now on the second stage of this RejuvenOX protocol. So the first thing we did was we did TRT, stem wave on the hands and the feet. We did that on both Marilee and Dr. Pompa. And now we've got them hooked up to an IV. Go ahead and show that. In this glass tube is highly active oxygen. So it's something called ozone, which is O3. And it's very, very concentrated in this sterile saline. And then right here is a magnesium, high dose magnesium. And so what's happening is both of these are flowing into his vessel at the same time. The magnesium is vasodilating, it's also alkalizing his blood. And they've actually done studies where they've shown that if you have a more alkaline solution, oxygen actually penetrates better, so there's better oxygen absorption. So the fact that he's more alkaline and the fact that we're actually putting a lot of oxygen in his body in the form of ozone, and then the vasodilation so that these components get deeper into the tissues because the microcirculation is going to open up and allow that to happen.
Awesome. All right. Time for the CVAC. I said it's hyperbaric on steroids. You know what this reminds me of? Something from Mork and Mindy. Did I just date myself?
You did.
I dated myself, Mork and Mindy. It's the egg. It's taking me to oblivion and beyond. I don't know, what did Mork always say? Nanu, nanu? Nanu, nanu. Nanu, nanu. So John, you explained to me what this does and why it's the last part of the protocol, but I want you to explain it to them.
So you've seen the protocol. It's called RejuvenOX, and it's literally taking a number of modalities together and fusing them in a way that 1 + 1 = 4. So it's a compounding effective nature of these different treatments. And so we use the CVAC. Now, The experience in the CVAC is the pressures going up and down, like if you're in an airplane, like if you're in a fighter jet, really. And so that pressure change has all these very dramatic improvements on the cellular detoxification, cellular health, oxygen delivery, stem cell activation. Basically, it's a way to pump nutrients deeper into the body, and it's a way to activate these things in the body. So, now you've learned about the RejuvenOX. If you have questions or you want to take a closer look at this, you can email me at askdrjl@gmail.com, or you can see our website at advancedrejuvenation.us. Now remember, if healing is possible, consider it to be within your reach. Bye for now. For more information about these exciting regenerative therapies, you can find us at advancedrejuvenation.us.